All right. Once again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of our participants, no, particularly on this call, and welcome to Opulence. My name is Rico Kilao, and I will be presenting to you some solutions when it comes to how we can live a healthier life and how we can live an opulent life. Now, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng opulence, no? Opulence simply means the best of the best. It also means abundance in wealth. And our vision is imagine a world where aging and illness are no longer accepted as normal but rather preventable. Gusto ho natin tanggalin sa kaisipan ng maraming mga tao na ang pagkakasakit, especially habang tumatanda na, hindi ho normal yan. Okay? So, we can prevent that from happening. No? Maganda ho dyan habang tayo ay malakas pa, kaya ho nating maiwasan yan. And we strive to make opulent living accessible to all, not just the elite, offering opportunities for generational wealth and personal empowerment. And probably, meron ho sa inyo na naghahanap po ng magandang opportunity for you to improve your life. Okay? And if you are looking for something that you can do in order probably to augment your income stream, no? Kung yan ho ang hinahanap po ninyo na pwede nyong isabay sa ginagawa ho ninyo ngayon, yan din ho yung isa sa mga topics na tatalakayin ho natin. And not only that, no? Ito ho yung pwede nyong simulan ngayon and eventually develop what we call generational wealth, something that you can pass on to the next generation. And that will be specifically our topic for today. If you have the will, opulence as the way to transform your life and create a lasting impact. So, let me just first introduce to you sino po ba si Opulence. Opulence is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So, we're already celebrating our 20th year anniversary. At doon sa mga wala pang ticket dyan sa Dubai, ha? Bumili na po kayo ng ticket para participate tayo dyan sa ating 20th anniversary celebration and convention. Okay? So, ang atin hong opportunity spans to more than 200 countries and territories. We are accredited member ng Better Business Bureau. Napakahalaga ho niyan. If i-research nyo ho yan ho yung nag-i-evaluate ng mga business ethics, business practices, which confirms yung legitimacy ng company. We are named among the top 100 solid companies since 2010 by the businessforhome.org. And on top of that, we are being led by our founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlu. Napakahalaga ho kasi ng leadership in every venture, in every company, in every opportunity. Because sabi nga po, everything rises and falls in leadership. And what we have here, si Mr. Mesgarlu, ating CEO, has extensive experience in growing multi-million-dollar businesses. Actually, he was able to build 5 multi-million-dollar businesses. So hindi ho natin mapapantayan yung kanyang karanasan at kaalaman. At mahalaga ho dyan because he has already helped many people na mag-increase din yung antas ng kanilang pamumuhay. So in terms of credentials, of course, we are in good hands sa atin hong leadership. And of course, ang atin hong opportunity is nakapaloob dito sa mga massive industries na to. Imagine yung fashion industry, which is a $1 trillion industry, personal care and wellness, another $1 trillion industry, and of course, the e-commerce, itong direct selling industry is another $1 trillion industry. So once you become a part of this opportunity, particularly sa Opulence Global, you are actually tapping into this $15.9 trillion industry. Napakalaki ho ng pwede nating maging market share dyan. So Opulence Global started out with the fashion heritage, Nagsimula ho tayo sa fashion line of products, since 2005, and we are Canada's largest private fashion house and exclusively designed yung ating mga products na yan from our Toronto and European design centers and worn by over 350 celebrity clients. So ibig sabihin yung prestige, yung quality, yung luxury, hindi ho basta-basta yan sinusuot ng mga ng mga celebrity clients kung hindi maganda yung quality, pati yung prestige. And we actually have numerous global media accolades. Featured ho tayo sa The Fox, The View, and of course yung International Emmy Awards, TIFF, yung Toronto International Film Festival, and the Golden Globe Awards. Now, another branch that we have is itong atin hong what we call yung Safe Home Revolution. So this relates sa ating pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan when it comes to health because these are actually highly consumable daily essential products that protects you and your family by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So meron din ho tayong skincare, personal care, oral care, and health and wellness. At ang maganda ho dito, hindi ho to yung just any other product available in the market. Now, we basically feature 2 proprietary ingredients, yung microsilver, which is a premium German technology na meron hong long-lasting protections against mga bacteria, viruses, mga germs, microbes, and all these things, And on top of that, we have our unique, again, no, yung Norwegian spruce tree extract na napaka-phenomenal. And these ingredients are basically present sa ating mga beauty products, microsilver protection products, mga personal care products, and of course, sa ating health and wellness. And our products are made in Canada. So, yun ho yung maganda dyan. No? So, hindi basta-basta yung certification, yung quality control, and all of the things that we are doing. No? Manufactured ho tayo sa GMP certified facility. So, ibig sabihin, yung management, production management system is napakaayos, na hindi ho basta-basta yung kanyang proseso. Not tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and most of our products are tested by dermatologists. It cleanses microbes and it protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. So first, let's talk about this phenomenal product, yung flagship product ko natin, the Fountain of Life, which is being sold in different parts of the world. Over 1 million bottles sold na. So ganyan ho kaganda itong ating product dahil marami na ho tayong mga natulungan when it comes sa kanilang kalusugan. Ano ba yung Fountain of Life na yan? It's a high-performance antioxidant na nagpoprotekta ho at nagpe-preserve ng ating cells, ng ating tissues, ng ating organs. So pag yan ho ay napangalagaan natin ang estado ng ating kalusugan, ang katawan ho natin has the capacity to heal itself. And that's the reason why napakarami ho niyang health benefits. No? Protects heart health, lowers chronic inflammation, it defends against dementia, it protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, improves hair health, it improves sugar metabolism and control diabetes complications, it protects DNA, improve metabolism, and it lowers body weight, reduce hot flashes. These are just among the many benefits that you can get from taking these high-performance antioxidants. Now, ano bang kaibahan itong product na to? Unang-una, yung kanyang pinanggalingan. It's actually coming from the Norwegian spruce trees, an extract of that tree. Now, you have to understand that this tree is known to be a very strong tree. No, it can live hundreds or even thousands of years. The oldest one is 9,550 years old. Imagine ang puno na tumatagal ng halos 10,000 taon. Why is that? Because it is considered to be a self-healing, disease-free tree. It can withstand oxidative stress. So nilalabanan niya yung pagkasira ng mga cells, pagkasira ng mga tissues and organs, no, particularly sa ating katawan. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. And on top of that, it can deal with invasive threats from microbes and insects. So ibig sabihin, meron din siyang antimicrobial property. Now, evolution over time has provided these trees with very efficient chemical defense and preservation mechanisms na nanggagaling ho sa lignans. Now, this is the unique property that we have, particularly when it comes to our product. Ito yung tinatawag nating lignans. Now, what are lignans? Lignans are actually a type of plant antioxidants na nanggagaling ho sa mga punong kahoy na nagpoprotekta sa ating mga cells para labanan yung free radicals, para labanan yung oxidative stress. And do you know, according sa mga researches, no, that the most potent and strongest lignans or plant antioxidant in the world have been discovered sa Norwegian spruce tree. So ibig sabihin, ito raw ho yung may pinakamabisa at pinakamalakas na uri ng lignan sa buong mundo. It just means that it has the strongest and most potent antioxidant in the world. So 3 things that it does. Number 1, antioxidant, pinoproteksyonan yung ating cells, yung ating kalusugan. Antimicrobial, nilalabanan yung mga microbes, the germs, bacteria, and viruses. And anti-inflammatory, na piniprevent ho yung pagkakaroon ng chronic inflammation na pinagmumulan ho ng mga top killer diseases such as cancer, diabetes, heart disease, stroke, hypertension. So para maiwasan ho natin yan, napakahalaga yung anti-inflammatory. Now, ganda ng puno, no? Para siyang Christmas tree, para siyang pine tree. Now, this is the ingredient actually that can be found sa atin hong product known as the Fountain of Life. It's Health Canada approved. It means na napaka-stringent ho kasi ng proseso dyan sa Health Canada. Makitaan ka lang ng konting trace of anything that can harm your body. Hindi ho nila inaaprobahan yan dyan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, totally safe. Maganda ho yung quality. And on top of that, we have 100% exclusive rights to distribute this product globally. At meron din ho tayong 22 patents. And because of our confidence and belief dito sa ating product, we cover a 90-day money-back guarantee. So basically, nothing to lose for you kung susubukan nyo ho, no? Especially kung meron ho kayong gustong ma-address sa inyong kalusugan, try it out. Nothing to lose but everything to gain. Ibig sabihin ho ng 90-day money-back guarantee is within 90 days, wala kang maramdaman na benefits, pwede mong ibalik, no? So yun ho yung maganda doon. Meron satisfaction guaranteed. Okay? So lignans, nako, napakarami palang health benefits niyang lignans na yan. Ha? Number 1 is heart health. Sabi dyan, lignans may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, improving blood pressure, and reducing inflammation in the body. Alam ko marami hong mga naapektuhan na ng mga cardiovascular diseases na yan. So kung gusto nyo na ma-improve ang inyong condition, okay, particularly yung chronic inflammation, pwedeng-pwede ho ito sa inyo, no? Yung lignans na yan for your heart health. Now, also, it helps in cancer prevention because some studies suggest na itong lignans na to may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly yung mga hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate. So again, no, pagka ho kayo ay nagte-take ng lignans, according to studies, it can reduce the risk of cancer by as much as 30%. So magandang pananggalang, no, sa mga ganyang sakit. Ang hirap po kasi niyan pagka narinig mo yung big C, di ba? So wag mo nating antayin, no? na magkaroon muna tayo bago tayo gumawa ng aksyon. Okay? So number 3 is antioxidant activity. Napakataas na level na antioxidants. So ibig sabihin ho niyan is pag tiningnan niyo ho itong ating fountain of life, all you need to do is to consume at least a minimum of 10 drops sublingual. Ibig sabihin ng sublingual underneath the tongue. Maganda ho dyan, mas mabilis na absorb in less than an hour, pumupunta na sa bloodstream mo, kaya dito may mga benefits so kami na mabilis yung nagiging resulta. Now, why is that? On top na dahil mabilis siyang ma-absorb, pag tinignan ho natin yung level of antioxidants dyan sa 10 patak lang ng Fountain of Life. Imagine niyo ha, 10 drops. Tapos ang laman or yung concentration ng lignans sa 10 drops, equivalent ho sa lignans or antioxidants that you can get from drinking 50 cups of green tea. Imagine niyo yon, 50 cups of green tea ang katumbas ng 10 patak ng Fountain of Life. Pag apples naman, 1,800 cups of apples. So dito ko nakita yung sabi nga yung potency, yung concentration ng lignans. Kaya pala merong mga nagte-take in just a matter of minutes, nararanasan kaagad nila yung mga benefits. At ito ho yung talagang ano bang term ang pwede kong gamitin doon? Yung nakapagpa-convince sa akin. Dahil nga nakita ko yung mga nagte-take, ang bilis na nagiging resulta. So ibig sabihin, talagang very effective itong lignans na to, no? It also helps sa mga may mga hormonal imbalances because lignans can have a mild phytoestrogenic effect, meaning they may help balance yung mga hormone levels ho natin. Okay? And then number 5, digestive health, no? Sa mga hindi ho maayos yung kanilang panunaw. Nako, ito. Ako personally naging testimony ko ho yan na gumanda ho yung aking bowel movement. Ako everyday 2 to 3 times a day ako. Na-enjoy ko ho yung pagde-detox ko. Alam nyo ho yun? Alam mong nililinis yung loob ng katawan mo. And number 6, blood sugar regulation. Ako, especially sa mga may tumataas or elevated yung kanilang blood sugar, there is some evidence na itong mga lignans na to may help improve the insulin sensitivity and it reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. So napakarami pa hong mga health benefits yan. Actually, may document ho tayo na yung lignans na yan has more than, I believe, 60 plus or 80 plus yata yun na health benefits according sa mga clinical studies. So it's just one product, okay? One ingredient that you consume, very simple. No? Napakabilis nyo i-consume. Ibig sabihin, 10 drops, wala pang 2 seconds, but the impact, the power, the potency that it can give, particularly when it comes to your health, napakaganda ho. No? So, imagine niyo ha, 65% less chances of heart disease, 30% less chances of cancer if you are regularly taking yung lignans ho na yan that can be found in our Fountain of Life. Okay? Oh, ito pa yung isa. Nako, kasama ho ito sa free natin ngayon, ha, yung Divine. So this is a supplement that supports your immune system, fight against damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. Okay? So ang laman ho nito, imagine niyo ha, kung yung Fountain of Life, isang ingredient, eto, 6 powerful active ingredients. Kasama ho dyan yung maritime pine bark extract, which is known to be the pink nogenal. Nako, i-research nyo ho yan. Meron hong isang article or video, hindi actually video yun, parang cassette tape pa yata yun nun na parang dinidescribe ng isang doktor na miracle medicine. Ang medicine nga tawag niya dito sa pink nogenal na yan okay? So, andyan ho yan sa maritime pine bark extract. On top of that, glutathione, yung master antioxidant. Grapeseed extract. Ay, naku, napakayaman ho yan sa antioxidants. So, imagine niyo the protection that you can get from all of this combination, no? Pati yung zinc, ano ko, kailangan ho natin yung zinc na yan. Ginagamit ho yan sa mga hospitals para mas mabilis maghilom yung mga sugat. So marami pa hong ibang benefits yan. Vitamin C, kilala naman natin si vitamin C. Vitamin D, no? Para for younger looking and healthier skin. Ayan, so vitamin D, kailangan ho natin yan. So all of these ingredients in just one product, itong tinatawag ho nating Divine. Kaya ho, again, marami ho siyang health benefits, particularly nagre-regulate, nagme-maintain ng ating immune system, supports liver and cell detoxification, promotes gut health, supports respiratory function, aids in vision maintenance, kung gustong mag-improve yung kanilang eyesight, no? It promotes diabetic health, it improves absorption of other antioxidants. That's the reason why pag pinag-combine nyo ho siya sa Fountain of Life, ay lalong mas powerful. May tinatawag tayong synergistic effect. Okay? Supports collagen formation, improves erectile dysfunction, boosts brain function and memory, improves the skin, and it benefits heart health. So these again are just some of the benefits. No? Pag pinagsama lalo natin yung Fountain of Life saka Divine, ay nako, yung protection mo araw-araw, mas makakaiwas ka sa mga sakit-sakit na yan. Okay? So marami na ho tayong mga testimonials when it comes to these products. No? Ako personally, I've been a product of a product. Hindi naman ho ako sakitin, but of course, the level of energy, pati yung aking constipation, as mentioned earlier, yung aking mga body pains, especially yung aking frozen shoulder, na wala ho dyan. But most importantly, no? Yung pagbata ng itsura mo. Nako, yan ang pinakamaganda dyan. Kasi nawawala yung pangungulubot, alam mo yan, na cause ng oxidative stress at saka ng mga free radicals. Why? Because yung antioxidants nagpe-preserve ng ating mga cells, nagpe-preserve ng ating mga tissues. Kaya ka hindi mabilis tumatanda. Ay nako, napakaganda ho niya, no? I-try niyo ho itong ating Fountain of Life and Divine. If you want to learn more about the different stories of different people who have benefited from using the products, you can scan the QR code and it will bring you to our Facebook page of Fountain of Life and Divine -official. Okay? So yan, nako, napakarami ho nating testimonials when it comes to this product. And ang maganda ho dito is you can actually avail of this sa ating online shop. Ayan. Okay, so huwag nyo na hong pahirapan yung sarili nyo, tatanungin nyo saan ba nakakabili niyan. All you have to do is to get in touch with the partner who invited you here. At yung mga partner ho na yan, may mga online shop sila, pwede na kayong mamili sa kanilang website. So pagka bumili kayo sa kanilang website, hindi na kayo lalabas ng bahay, it can be delivered right through your doorstep. Yan ho yung maganda dyan. Kasi hindi ho siya available sa mga retail outlets. Hindi siya available sa mga pharmacies. These our products are exclusively distributed ng ating mga partners here in Opulence Global. Ayan, okay? So if I were you at hindi pa kayo nakakagamit, lalong-lalo na yung ating mga health products, I encourage you, start using it. Huwag ho kayong mag-antay na magkasakit muna kayo bago kayo gumawa ng aksyon pagdating sa kalusugan, because may kasabihan nga ho tayo that prevention is always better than cure. 'Di ba? Mas maigi na yung iniingatan mo kaysa magsisi ka sa bandang huli, 'di ba? Kasi napakamahal ho magkasakit. Ang isa pa diyan, pag may sakit sa pamilya, ay naku, napakalaking problema, 'di ba? Kaya nga ho sabi ko, ang pinakamagandang regalo na ibibigay ho natin sa ating mga mahal sa buhay ay pangalagaan ho natin yung ating kalusugan. Para pagdating ng panahon, hindi ho tayo pabigat. 'Di ba? You only have one body. You have to take care of it more than anything else. Okay? So that's our product. Now, for those of you na sabi mo mukhang bago yung product, unique yung product, effective yung product, powerful yung product, wala pang kalaban sa market, yun ho yung maganda dito. Because with these proven products, we can turn this into a successful opportunity. Alam nyo ho yung pag may nakita kang ginto, di ba? So, very precious ho yan. So, pagka yan ho ay ikinalat natin at iminarket natin, naku, napakalaking opportunity. Okay? So, that's the next topic that we're going to talk about, because kung kayo ho ay nag-iisip ng isang kabuhayan na pwede nyong idagdag sa inyong ginagawa ho ngayon, whether may trabaho kayo or may existing negosyo ho kayo, ito ho yung pwede nyong isama or idagdag, no? Kasi napakasimple at napakadali lang ho simulan itong negosyo na to. Bakit simple at madaling simulan? Kasi ito ho ay global turnkey dropship business with high quality products and an opportunity to earn lifelong residual income at a minimal startup cost. Pag sinabi ko kasing turnkey, ready-made na. Kumpleto na. May online shop na, may products na, may distribution system na, may dropshipping, may delivery system. Ay, wala na, kumpleto na. No, wala ka nang isi-set up. The moment that you decide to join right now, to start your business right now, you can actually launch your business already. Okay? Yun ho yung kagandahan ng turnkey. Wala ka ng stress ng pagsisimula ng business. Wala ka ng stress ng pag-apply ng mayor's permit, business permit. Wala ka ng stress sa pagsiset up ng tindahan mo. Wala ka ng stress sa pag-hire ng mga tao mo. So, ito ho yung negosyo na pwede mo simulan agad-agad. Kaya turnkey ho siya, dropshipping. We have the products delivered right through your doorstep. And of course, ang maganda ho dyan, high quality products. So, very unique yung mga products. Hindi ho available sa mga retail outlets. And with that kind of business na global ang distribution, you now have the opportunity to earn. At hindi lang active income, pati yung lifelong residual income. Na hindi daang libo ang gagastusin mo. Hindi milyon-milyon, no? So, very reasonable amount of money, no? Para kapag simula ka, makapag-invest ka sa isang negosyo. At simple lang yung ginagawa namin dito. We use the product and we share the benefits of the product. Okay? So, naandyan ho yung, kumbaga, nagamit mo yung produkto and then kinukwento mo yung nangyari dun sa produkto sa paggamit mo, no? So, what if you can get paid to shop, get paid to consume, and get paid to recommend, okay? So, ito hong ating ideal turnkey opportunity na to, bibigyan na kaagad kayo ng infrastructure, no, for you to start your business. So, may inventory na ho yan, may payment system, yan ho yung ginagawa ng company for you, no? May shipping na rin kung paano mo i-ship yung products, guarantees and returns. May online shop ka na, may website maintenance ka pa, training and support, team building events, conferences and conventions, recognition and travel. So all of these, no, are provided by the company. Now, as a partner with Opulence Global, all you need to do is to tap into this e-mall, magkaroon ka ng sarili mong e-mall, sarili mong online business, and then what you need to focus on is just promoting the products, no, to the people that you know. Okay? So, lalong-lalo na yung mindset, no, lahat ng tao gustong maging malusog. Wala namang taong ayaw maging malusog. So, everyone is a market, no, for you. So, yun yung maganda doon. So, the more you share these products, doon ka na ngayon nagkakaroon ng opportunity. Okay? So, yun na yun, no? Yung e-mall mo, naandyan na yung online shop mo, order processing management system, na mo-monitor mo yung takbo ng negosyo mo kasi meron siyang mga performance analytics. Marami pa yan, mga promo materials, yung mga brochures, layouts, so all of the things that you need for in running your business is already provided. Now with this e-mall, ito yung pwede nyong ma-benefit dyan. No? You can earn and save money on every transaction. So you can launch your e-mall so that when you become a partner with Opulence Global, you can get discounts. No? So kung gusto mo lang, gumamit lang ng product, yun yung maganda. You can earn you can get as much as 37% discount in all of our products. And when you sell products, hindi yung maganda dahil you can get it at a discounted price, at a wholesale price. Pag minarket mo at retail price, you can actually earn money. No? Yun yung maganda doon. And on top of that, you can share the global opportunity to build a residual income. So hindi ka lang limited dito sa Pilipinas sa pag-share ng product. You can even also have partners in other parts of the world who will also be distributing the products with you. Yun yung maganda doon, no? So yun ho yung overview lang dito ipapakita namin sa inyo because once you get started with this business, nagkakaroon ho kayo ng access sa multiple ways of making money here. Number one is retail profit. As mentioned earlier, once you become a partner with Opulence Global, you can get the products for as much as 37% discount. Now, that 37%, dahil yun yung na-menos mo, yun din yung pwede mo maging retail profit. Like for instance, a Fountain of Life, the retail price is 4,500. Technically good for 60 days because it contains 600 drops. Lumalabas lang yan, 75 pesos per day. At retail value, ha? So imaginein mo, 75 pesos per day, pangalagaan na yung kalusugan mo. Aba, napakamura ho niya, no? Sa 75 pesos per day. Okay? Now, ito yung maganda dyan. Once you are at 37% discount, nakakamenos ka na kaagad ng 1,668 pesos per bottle. 1,668 pesos per bottle. Imagine niyo yun, di ba? So, ang laki ng name-menos mo. Kung gumagamit ka ng isang bote sa isang araw, in 12 days, in 12 days, in 12 months, magkano yun, no? Mame-menos mo. So, sulit na yung magiging investment mo dyan kapag ka nakaka-menos ka ng 37%. Because yung 1,668 nyo, no? 1,668 times 12, equivalent to yun sa 20,000 na kaagad na savings. Di ba? Eh kung nagma-market ka, so ibig sabihin, kada market mo, pwede kang kumita ng up to 1,600 plus. Pwede, di ba? Kung makasampu ka, may 16,000 ka. Kung maka-100 ka na bote, no? Meron kang 160,000. Aba, pwedeng side hustle, di ba? And then on top of that, yung mga satisfied customers mo, pag kumuha din sila gusto rin nilang kumuha ng discount, i-offer mo rin yung mga packages natin. Mamaya, mapakita ko yung mga package, no? And once they get the package, you can earn as much as $350 wholesale profit. Yung pa maganda doon, dollars pa yung kinikita mo, Canadian dollars, pumapasok sa e-wallet mo, miski na andito ka lang sa Pilipinas. So as many more partners are joining you or getting their packages, lumalaki din na lumalaki yung mga wholesale profit mo. Like for instance, naka-launch ka ng 4 na LADE, isa yan sa mga packages natin. Isang package commission mo doon is more or less sa mga 14,000 pesos per package. Imagine mo, sa 4 may 56,000 ka na kaagad. Wow. 'Di ba? Iba pa yung kinikita mo sa retail. Pero ito yung pinaka-paborito ng marami, no? Yung tinatag nating lifelong residual income or what we call team commissions. Because in here, yung mga partners mo nakukuha din ng mga packages, they will also be getting the benefits, no? Katulad ng benefit na natatanggap mo. Now, ang maganda doon, every sales that your partner does, nagkakaroon ka doon ng commissionable volume. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang nagkumikita sa sarili mong online shop, nagkakaroon ka rin ng income out of the sales ng mga partners mo na may mga emails din. Okay? Na kumikita din. At hindi lang yon, pati yung mga partners nila, all of the sales, all of the packages, all of the purchases ng buong team nila through Infinity, you get commissionable volume. At pag naipon yung commissionable volume na yon, yun na yung tinatawag nating leveraged income. Okay? So, leveraged income. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang 100% sa iyo nang gagaling yung effort. Pati yung mga partners mo, as they earn, as they grow their business, your business also grows. Imagine, you can earn up to $60,000 per week with our Infinity Compensation Plan. Kung paano ho nangyayari yan, every Thursday, meron ho tayong compensation plan training. Okay, kung guest ka dito, more than welcome kang mag-attend nun. No? Every Thursday, using the same link at 8 o'clock, pwede ho kayong umattend for you to learn more about etong ating Infinity Compensation Plan. Okay? At marami pa ho yan. Meron pa tayong tinatawag na monthly global revenue sharing. Tapos yung parang profit sharing yan. Ano? Variance bonus up to $50,000 and commission boost up to $5,000. So ibig sabihin, you're doing just one business opportunity and yet yung mga streams of income, no, iba-iba. Marami kang pwedeng ma-enjoy na streams of income. Pwede ka ring maging part nitong Opulent Club. Welcome to the Opulent Club where exceptional incentives meets luxury. You can benefit, yung benefits include yung mga car club bonuses or car club program. Imagine niyo, on top of the business benefits, meron ka pang pagkakataon na ang company mismo nagbabayad ng sasakyan mo. Imagine that, no? Pati mga bakasyon mo, no? Yung mga pati luxury gifts, cross vacation, leadership summit, exotic vacation. So, all of these things, no? Nakapaloob ho yan dito sa iisang business opportunity ho natin. Now, the question is, how do you get started? Eto na, pag-uusapan ho natin. If you want to get started right now, napakasimple. All you need to do is to launch your e-mall. Okay? Kasi yung e-mall mo, yun yung pinakatindahan mo, yun yung pinaka-outlet mo. Magbavari na lang kung magkano yung puhunan ho ninyo dito sa dami ng packages o sa dami ng products that you want to redeem, no? Of course, the higher the package, the higher the benefits. So let's get started with our brand partner. Okay? Yun ho yung brand partner ho natin. So yung brand partner natin, meron siyang e-mall, meron na rin ho siyang shopping credits. Yung shopping credits is ikaw yung mamimili kung ano yung product na gusto mo. Bibigyan ka ng shopping credits. Kung gusto mo, puro FOL. Kung gusto mo, puro toothpaste. Kung gusto mo, puro shampoo or fashion items, bahala ka. Okay? But in this package, you can receive at least, no, example ho nito, 2 bottles of FOL tsaka isang toothpaste. At least masimulan mo siyang gamitin, di ba? May free gift card na rin ho siya na worth $20. Pag reorder mo, 20% discount ka na. Yun yung maganda, no? Nakakamenos ka na kaagad with this package, 20% discount. Tapos yung welcome kit, ito ho yung mga business materials na pwede nyong gamitin, mga brochures, flyers that you can use to start your business, no? So magkano ho yung package na yan? Nasa 13,675 lang. Imagine mo, global distribution business, may sarili ka ng website, may product ka pang makukuha, napakamurang napakamurang simulan na ho yan, puhunan para sa negosyo, 'di ba? Mas mura pa yan sa sari-sari store. 'Di ba? So, yun nga lang dito nakafocus ka lang muna sa retailing, discount ng 20%. Pero kung gusto mo talaga mas mabilis lumaki sa negosyo mo, we encourage you start at this, no? Itong tinatawag nating lifestyle advisor. Okay? Yung lifestyle advisor, ganun din. Lahat ng benefits ng brand partner makukuha mo, yung e-mall, yung shopping credits, mas malaki. Ito, yung mas maganda dito, mas madami kang shopping credits. And then, mayroon ka ring gift card. Mas malaki yung gift card nito, $100. Pag reorder mo, 30% discount ka na. Okay? So, let's say kung puro FOL ang kukuhanin mo, equivalent po yan sa 16 bottles of FOL. Okay? Ang makukuha mo dito sa package na to, nagkakahalaga ng 72,000 pesos. Pero ang maganda ho dyan, hindi yan yung babayaran mo, only 61,185. So nakamenos ka na kaagad. Pag minarket mo yung product mo, lahat yan, balik na yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa 10,000 plus. So dito wala kang talo, wala kang lugi sa negosyo. Dahil lahat kasi matatanggap mo kaagad product, may e-mall ka pa. 'Di ba? May global distribution ka pa. At ang maganda ho dito, pag reorder mo, 30% ka na. So nakakamenos ka ng mga 1,300 pesos per bottle, no? 'Yun yung maganda doon. And now you have access, no, sa maximum earning potential, maximum buying power, tsaka yung ibang mga benefits nyo sa ating compensation plan. Pero, meron po tayong, kumbaga, upgraded na Lifestyle Advisor Plus, itong package na to. Ito yung tawag natin, Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Ano ho yung Lifestyle Advisor Plus? Mas malaki ho yung shopping credits nito. Umaabot ho yan ng as much as 108,000 shopping credits. So with that, pwede ka makakuha dyan ng 24 bottles of FOL na nagkakahalaga ng 108,000. Pero ang investment mo lang magkano? 75,000 lang. Ibig sabihin, yung product na nakuha mo, product pa lang, 108,000 na kaagad. Hindi pa natin kinuwenta yung email, hindi pa natin kinuwenta yung gift card. Di ba? Tapos, pag nag-reorder ka, 37% ka na. Woohoo! So, 1,600 plus na yung savings mo pagka bumibili ka na ng mga product. Okay? Sa Fountain of Life. Ganon din sa fashion. By the way, hindi lang ho isa, dalawa, tatlo yung product natin ha. Pag pumunta ho kayo sa inyong online shop, nakita nyo doon, more than 1,000 SKUs kasama yung mga fashion items natin. Magiging e-mall mo yan, magiging online shop mo yan. Okay? So this is actually a great deal. And the great news, ito pa pala isang magandang balita dito, no? With this package, on top dun sa shopping credits or 24 bottles na makukuha nyo, meron pa ho itong libre na 5 bote ng Fountain of Life at 5 bote ng Divine. Wow, grabe ha. Napakalaking add-on ho niyan. 5 bote ng Fountain of Life at 5 bote ng Divine. Alam niyo ho ba yung freebie na yon? Out of this package, nagkakahalaga ho yun ng 52,000 pesos in retail value. So ibig sabihin, yun yung malilibre nyo. Yung magiging retail value ngayon ng package nyo, aabot ho yan ng 160,000 pesos. Ganun pa rin ho yung magiging puhunan, 75,000. Ready-made business, 200 countries and territories. But if you are really looking for the most profitable package, ito na ho yung tinatag nating Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience. Kasi tingnan mo naman yung matatanggap mo rito, no? 315,000 worth of FOL, ayan. 77,000 worth of personal care products. At meron ka pang Fairy Designer Luxury Watch na matatanggap, ha? Nagkakahalaga yan ng hindi baba sa 57,000. So all in all, the total value of the products that you can get is 449,000. Pero magkano lang ang puhunan? 174. More than 270,000 ang pwede mong kitain out of this package. Pag reorder ko, 37% pa. Okay? So these are the different packages that you can get started with. And yun nga, ready-made business siya. The moment that you want to start or launch your business right now, we can do that immediately. Ha? So yun yung maganda dito. Wala nang mga hocus-pocus pa or hindi ka napapahirapan para makapagsimula ka ng isang napakaganda at napaka-profitable na negosyo. So kung naghahanap po kayo ng isang negosyo na pwede nyo nang simulan ngayon na nakabase sa napakagandang produkto, unique, walang katulad, walang kalaban, okay? At ang distribution ng negosyo mo, hindi lang dyan sa lugar mo, 200 countries and territories. Kompleto na yung sisimulan mo sa negosyo mo. Okay? Tapos may mga trainings pa yan, di ba? So yun ho yung iba't ibang mga packages natin. So just want to give you an overview of how this business works. No? So let's say you share the product to the people that you know. Lahat tayo kailangan natin ng product na pangkalusugan, di ba? So, shinare mo yan sa mga kilala mo, kaibigan mo, and eventually, nagkaroon ka ng mga, let's say, 6 na partners lang. 6 na partners, pwedeng galing din sa ibang bansa yung mga yan. Isa taga-US, isa taga-Canada, isa taga-Singapore, isa taga-Europe, isa taga-Australia. So, imaginein mo, no? So, 6 different kakilala mo, nagsimula din ng e-mall nila, online shop nila. No, ganun din. By training and support, tuturuan din natin sila kung paano nila gagawin yung ginagawa mo. No? So, may duplication. So, yung 6 na yan, may tiga-6, naging 36, 216, 1296, 776. Let's stop at the 5th level. All those ating compensation plan, you get paid through infinity. So, you now have a total of 9,330 people under your team na hindi mo pa kakilala lahat yan. Kasi yan yung mga contacts mo. Now, assuming only 20% ang naging active. Kasi hindi naman lahat yan talaga magiging active eh. Di ba? So, 20%, ang ginagawa lang nila, bumibili lang ng 2 bote ng Fountain of Life every month for personal consumption. Hindi ka nagbebenta eh. Hindi ka nagmamarket eh. Hindi ka nagbi-business eh. Bumibili lang ng tigda 2 bote kada buwan for personal consumption para sa pamilya nila. Alam niyo ho ba, yung 1,866 people na yan, na hindi niyo pa kakilala lahat yan, bumibili lang ng tigda 2 bote, what you can potentially earn there is 423,000. 423,000. Actual computation po yan. Wow. And this is how the business works, no? So, yun ho yung maganda dito. Even if ikaw natutulog ka dito sa Pilipinas, may partner ka sa US na bukas yung kanyang online shop, nagmamarket siya doon, ibig sabihin patuloy na tumatakbo yung business mo. Habang patuloy tumatakbo yung business mo, ibig sabihin pati yung income stream pwedeng tuloy-tuloy miski habang natutulog ka. Imagine that, no? So again, no, mamili ka na lang kung ano yung package na gusto mo diyan, kung ano yung napupusuan mo, di ba? But of course, sabi nga natin, the higher the package, the bigger the benefits, okay? So dito na po tayo magko-conclude, no? In conclusion, in closing, 3 dynamics of the business. Ano po yung mga pwedeng mangyari sa inyo dito when you partner with Opulence Global? Number 1, healthy living. Unahin ho natin yan. Kasi wala hong saysay ang kayamanan, yung mga tatrabahuhin natin, yung mga resulta ng ating negosyo kung hindi ho tayo malusog, kung hindi natin may enjoy, di ba? So that's basically the topmost priority, healthy living. And also, before you start sharing the product, we encourage you to use it first for yourself. Kasi yung belief, yung passion ho namin in sharing the products comes from our own personal experience. Nakita namin yung resulta sa sarili namin, nakita ho namin yung resulta sa mga taong nasisharean ho namin. And that is the reason why the more that we are excited to share it, because the moment that people use it ay talagang pwede hong magkaroon ng magandang pagbabago sa inyong kalusugan. Okay? It's actually an investment for your health, no? Para naman ma-enjoy mo ng mas matagal yung mga pinaghirapan mo. And on top of that, an opportunity to achieve time and financial freedom. Is what you're doing today, ito tanong ko sa inyo, yung bang ginagawa nyo ngayon, pag tumigil kayong magtrabaho, pag nag-retire kayo ngayon, tuloy-tuloy ho ba yung pasok ng income dun sa inyong ginagawa ngayon? If the answer to that is no, then find an avenue where that's possible for you. Okay? Ano kung ibig sabihin? An opportunity that allows you to earn yung tinatawag nating passive or residual income. Because hindi ho habang buhay kaya nating magtrabaho. Tama? So that's the opportunity that we have here in Opulence Global. An opportunity that as you help others grow in their business, your business also grows. Okay? Tapos may provisions pa ng mga vacation bonuses, mga exotic adventures, prestigious lifestyle. Grabe, no? So on top of that, sabi mo, Rico, hindi naman ako marunong mag-business. Wala akong problema. Lahat ho dito tinuturo, no? Yung knowledge about the product, knowledge about the business, every week. Meron ho tayong mga trainings that you can learn. Okay? At yun ho yung maganda dito, yung personal development. Okay? Because dito ho sa negosyong ito, kailangan mag-grow ka muna as a person. Sabi nga ho nung isang kilala naming napakagaling na negosyante, no, si Mr. Jim Rohn. Okay? When you grow, everything else will grow with you. Okay? So dito, akala nyo magaling lang tayo mag-present, no? Hindi ho. Ito ho ay isang more than 1,000 beses ko na hong ginawa. Kaya ho, habang ginagawa nyo to, natututo kayo ng natututo, gumagaling kayo ng gumagaling kasi namamaster nyo rin. Diba? So wag ho kayong mag-alala kung wala ho kayong alam paano sisimulan itong negosyo. Ganyan din ho ako nagsimula noon. But with the trainings, with the personal development, unti-unti ho yung naintindihan lahat ng yan. Hanggang sa lahat ng sinasabi nyo nanggagaling na sa puso ho ninyo, galing na sa karanasan ho ninyo. Okay? Now, what if you can have it all? So this concludes our presentation for this evening. Of course, napakaganda ho ng timing ninyo after 20 years of building phase, foundation stage, branding phase. Ngayon ho, nasa momentum and expansion stage ho tayo ngayon. Okay? So expansion stage. So ibig sabihin, as the company grows, ganyan ho talaga, lalong lalaki din yung negosyo ho ninyo. Okay, so basically napakaganda ho ng timing ho ninyo ngayon. Okay? So if you want to get started right now, ito ho yung ating QR code that you can scan so that you can launch your business. Okay? So ito, straight talk lang ho ito ha. Wala ho itong paligoy-ligoy, pasikot-sikot. Ang layunin ho namin dito is unang-una, magkaroon ho kayo ng magandang pagbabago sa inyong kalusugan. Pangalawa, magandang pagbabago sa inyong kabuhayan, lalo na for this year. Okay? Because if you want something new to happen in your life, then you have to try something new as well. Okay? Mahirap po yung nag-expect ka ng pagbabago sa buhay mo, wala ka namang binabago sa sarili mo. Di ba? And by the way, sabi ko nga ho, walang talo, walang lugi sa negosyo kasi the moment that you get the packages, may product ka na kaagad doon. Hindi ka man magbenta, inumin mo yung product, malusog ka pa rin. Pag reorder mo, may discount ka. Nothing to lose, di ba? Pero ang maganda ho dyan, nagsimula ka, tinayin mo yung product, sinunod mo yung sistema, you start sharing the product, sharing the opportunity, who knows? Na pwede ito yung opportunity na lumaki, mag-expand yung negosyo mo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, but all around the world. All right, so that ends our presentation. If you have any questions, you can put it in our Q&A box or probably get in touch with the people na nag-invite ho sa inyo dito sa call na ito. And I believe that they will be more than willing to help you, assist you, to learn kung ano man yung mga questions, to explain, to answer any questions that you might have, or better yet, help you get started now with our business. So I leave you with 3 options. Number 1, option 1. Okay, after watching this, number 1, option 1 is you can start using the product first. Okay, so that's a very good option. Okay, gamit mo na kayo ng product for you to see it yourself. Nang sa ganon, pag na-experience nyo, may kukwento na kayo. Di ba? Tapos yung belief nyo, mataas na rin. Now, on top of that, sabi mo, Rico, mukhang maganda naman talaga yung product, no? So, kuha na lang ako ng package to get discount. Oh, very good. Okay, so mas maganda yon kasi nakakamenos ka. Okay? Or better yet, option number 3, sabi mo, Rico, I want something to happen, to change this year. Okay? So I'm gonna make a decision. I see this is a viable business opportunity. I will try it, nothing to lose. Pwede kong simulan, pwede kong subukan. Next step would be to attend the training. Okay? So start ka today, next step, yung training na ho natin. Para at least mabigyan ka ng kaalaman, no, kung paano mo sisimulan at palalakihin yung negosyo mo. Okay? So that being said, nako, tapos na po tayo sa ating presentation, sa ating tour. This is a recorded call, by the way, for those of you who are watching this sa ating video recording. Nako, get in touch na sa mga tao who na nag-share sa inyo nitong video na ito. And hopefully, we can become, of course, your partner for growth, partner for success here in Opulence Global. We'd like to welcome you home, and meron ho kaming kasabihan dito, no, building the billion. Okay? So thank you so much, everyone, and I do hope that you have a wonderful day ahead of you.